the dragger milepost location, there's no defect. If you have a high white detector or anything else like that, like up the top, your high white detector is going to tell you that it's in operation when your head end goes by it. When you go by it, at the bottom end, it's going to give you your speed and a no defect. These things have the capabilities of reading out Roseville, California to tell you your speed. All of them. You got a computer up there that'll tell you how fast you're moving at any point along the system. All right. Plus you have tattletales on the engine. Speed, 25 miles an hour. Everything on this hill is set to 25 miles an hour. All the curves are banked for it, everything. It doesn't make any difference if you're going up or down or what. If you're light power or if you got 10,000 tons range, 25 miles an hour. Okay, everybody.
Thank you. All right, thank you. This is it.